Hello my friend, it's Omar ASL here. First thing, I would like to thank you for investing in my courses. Let me introduce myself. I am 26-old computer networks and operating systems engineer and I have finished my master program in artificial intelligence. Also, I have 5 years experience in online marketing and this helped me to get my desired free life by working from home without bothering myself with employers' issues because I am the boss of my life. Of course, this is not an easy job, especially at the beginning, but if you work hard, you will get more than you want after a while, because everything will be done in an automated way. But for me, the hard working isn't a problem, because I can do it just when I want, and I am free to take a vacation when I feel that I want. This freedom in work also helped me to do many things I am really interested in, like traveling, sports, and photographing, and get an excellent experience in some sciences like personal development and marketing. So I was able to teach my information for people as an offline or online courses like here in Udemy. In fact, I am planning to teach courses related to online business, computer skills, online and offline marketing, programming languages, and personal development. And here, there is an important point. When you invest in my courses, you will not get only the course, but also you will get my experience. And it is more important than the course itself, because no one can tell you everything in any course. There are always something the instructor didn't include in the course by accident. But when you have the instructors beside you, you can ask them any question related to your course, even it is in the course or not. Also, the information always in change, and always there is something new. Because of that, there is no last video in my courses. You will always get new information. And if you see that you need a lecture about any topics, I am ready to record it. Again, I am always here. So please, I would like to kindly ask you to not put a negative review when you see the course for the first time, because it is not the complete course, and you can't decide what you want to learn. And for that reason, I make profiles in social networks, especially for my Udemy students. You can send me a message here in Udemy, or you can add me as a friend in Facebook. As you can see, it is a fresh account, and I haven't even put a cover for it yet. And I will be very happy if you become my first friend here. Also, you can follow me on Google Plus or Twitter. And these accounts are also new, and you can subscribe to my YouTube new channel. You can find these links for my profiles here under my picture. And again, I will be very happy if you follow me on all that networks, because I will always share useful information, free coupons and discount coupons for my courses and also for other courses. And the best thing, that we can make groups to discuss our courses. And of course, we can discuss here in Udemy, but here, I want you to know that the message from Udemy takes a short time before I receive it. So please give me 24 hours to respond to your questions. At the end, I want to thank you again for investing in my courses. I hope you will find it useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.